When a vehicle gets stuck in the ditch, it's rarely in a desirable position to pull it out easily or at the perfect angle with a car carrier. Perhaps you've needed to tow a vehicle that's at rest in a full parking lot by pulling it out of the narrow parking space. If you're looking for a towing accessory to help provide more stabilization and guide the winch line, giving you the proper angle to recover a vehicle, look no further than the Zips Side Puller Recovery Tool. I'm Elle Rottinghouse in this Zips 360 feature of the day. This 3-roller guide system will help recover vehicles at an angle, so your truck can remain parallel with the road, taking up less space in the roadway and allowing the passing traffic to keep moving. When compared to a conventional hydraulic side puller, the Zips Side Puller attachment is very affordable. With its lightweight and sleek design, you can conveniently store it in an underbody toolbox when not in use, and spend only seconds to install it when needed. The operator simply utilizes the existing winch and winch line, feeding it through the guide and in the direction of the recovery. Have you ever had a time where a call was dispatched to you as a generic stalled while driving, and you arrive at the scene only to find the car is on its roof 30 feet off the road? Your time is valuable, and the Zips Side Puller Recovery Tool ensures you have the right tool for the job. With a 9,000-pound capacity, this towing accessory gives you 180 degrees of cable angle side to side and 90 degrees downward. To properly use the side puller, the bed of the car carrier must be in the upright and locked position. Also make sure the winch line is seated properly in the pulley before engaging the winch. For Miller Industries 10, 12, or 16 series car carriers with a steel deck, installation is quick and easy, utilizing the standard key slot hole along the rear approach plate. The Zips Side Puller can also be used on an aluminum constructed deck by drilling a 2-inch hole, 5.5 inches on center from the back edge of the deck and equal distance from the side rails. This would also work for other manufacturers such as Jerden. Don't forget to fully secure the side puller with the retaining pin and make sure the winch line is centered on the sheath prior to winching. Speed and safety are essential on every job. Zips Side Puller Recovery Tool will help you quickly get the proper angle to recover a vehicle, getting you off the side of the road and back into the safety of your truck cab sooner. Shop for more rigging and recovery supplies on zips.com.